Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am really happy to get the opportunity to say something about my daily activities and daily routines. What I do every day. I am Saiful Islam Shuhan and I am a student of College of Nursing, Sher-e-Bangla, Dhaka. Well, first of all, I usually wake up early in the mornings after getting up. After that, I brush my teeth and freshen up myself. I pray for my Fajr Salat. After that, I go to the morning walk and exercise. And shortly after that, I take breakfast and get ready to go to my college. Then I go to my college by foot. My classes start at 8 a.m. in the morning. I enjoy all my classes. After finishing all my classes, I go back my hostel. Then I have shower and then I pray for my Johur Salat and have lunch with my friends. Then I sleep for an hour. In the evening, for saying, I pray for my Maghrib Salah. And after that, I go to reading table and read until 10 p.m. and then I have my dinner with my friends. After that, I use sometimes Facebook and read again. Finally, about at 12 a.m., I go to bed and sound sleep. Thanks for your listening. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.